Philippines.
Cavinti is a third-class municipality in the province of Laguna in the Philippines. It is situated in the Sierra Madre mountain range, and part of the 4th Congressional District of Laguna. It is an agricultural town with a population of 20,809 people in the 2010 census. The current administration was headed by Honorable Mayor Milbert Olivares. Although relatively far from the immediate influence of metropolitan areas and urbanized towns, Cavinti continues to progress. The town of Cavinti is expected to be a first-class municipality before 2016. The town's name came from the Tagalog expression, Cavit sa Binti. The Itis, the early dwellers of the land, performed a wedding ritual in which the groom chases his bride to the riverbank. The groom will try to capture his bride by her legs with the witnesses shouting, Cavit sa Binti, Cavit sa Binti. This phrase later became Cavinti, hence the name. In order to reach Cavinti, you need to go through Lex, then you will pass through 7 towns. Calamba to Los Baños. Los Baños to Bay. Bay to Victoria. Victoria to Pila. Pila to Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz to Pagsanyan. Then you will reach Cavinti at approximately 2 hours. Cavinti is home to the Cavinti Falls, formerly known as the Pagsanyan Falls, the Cavinti Underground River and Cave Complex, and other beautiful tourist attractions as well as exciting festivals and events throughout the year. With so much to offer to the world, and as part of an integrated tourism plan of the municipality, Cavinti positions itself as the ecotourism, eventful, adventure and falls capital of Laguna. Our first stop is the Cavinti Church, also known as the Transfiguration of Our Lord Parish Church. It is the only Roman Catholic church in Cavinti. Its patron saint is El Salvador del Mundo, whose feast day is celebrated every August 6th. The Our Lady of Snows and Saint Joseph, husband of Mary, served as the town's secondary patrons.
Now here is the Transfiguration Parish. This ecclesiastical administration of Cavinti belonged to Lumbang until 1619. The first stone church and convent were built at about 1621, but both were seriously damaged during the Chinese uprising of 1639. The present church was partially and the convent was destroyed by earthquakes of 1824. Both were rebuilt before 1851. The tower collapsed during the earthquake of 1880 and the walls were badly cracked during the earthquake of 1880
So sir, bakit po Transfiguration Church ang tawag?
Ang Transfiguration Parish, galing yun sa word na Transfiguration na ibig sabihin ay pagbabagong anyo ni Jesus ayon sa Biblia. Yung Last Supper, ang tinapay, ang alak ng Last Supper ay ginawang naging katawan at dugo ni Jesus. Kaya Transfiguration, pagbabagong anyo.
The group is now hungry, so they went to the public market to buy and eat some of Cavinti's delicacies. The market offers all your basic necessities, from household items to food and snacks. Since this is the only place near the town plaza where you can buy stuff, customers are always welcome every day.
Kasi mag-approach mo na buy one take one burger. Boy, Milo din pala ilim nito.
Ano pong tawag dito, sir?
Tawag dito, pancit tapos. Ito nga special ko ng pancit ng kabinte. Mas masarap to pag nilagay mo ng suka at toyo. Konting ko at toyo. Subukan niyo.
Sige, tikman natin.
Tikman mo.
Sarap nga po siya pag may suka. Kasi din mo ulo.
Alam kainin na yan. Dapat yun sa dahon yan. Dapat yun ay sa dahon. Tapos
Diba po
yan
yan?
ay tapos yan ay walang tinidor.
Oo nga po.
Ganun lang.
Diba
Ito
ginagawa
kayo.
ko video?
Oo, sa dahon dapat yan nakakaano.
May dahon po. Dapat na yan.
Since Sambalilo making become income generating, and giant pandan is indigenous and abundant in the municipality, Sambalilo Festival was chosen by the municipality to promote the said craft and other pandan products. Further, the unique way on how it was crafted, can be used to boast the interest of potential tourists. Now, the Sambalilo Festival became the venue to show the different talents and skills of all ages of Cavitinians, and venue to show the different style and quality of Sambalilo, and unique way of how it was crafted. It also includes a sectoral parade and house decoration showing beautiful hats and colorful costumes made of pandan.
Sabay sampayan.
Ito yung produkto ng kabinte. Gawa ito sa pandan leaves. Ito ay mga gagamit talaga ng kabinte. Bola. Pupuan to. Ito mga gamit sa palengke. Ito mga sa palilog. Pag naarawan siya mainit. May nagmusulo na siya.
So yan po ba yung ginagamit ng mga
Kaya ito, mga nilagyan ng manok.
sabihin na naman yan.
Next stop is the Bumbungan Eco Park. It is actually planned to make a bridge under the Bumbungan River, but then the water overflows and it covered the entire road or bridge. And because of that, they decided to guard this and convert the entry road as the Bumbungan Eco Park site, a picnic site, and also house the Cavinti Municipal Tourism Office. It's like a spillway of a river. The overflowing river covers the entire road and then flows back again at the other side. It's nice to see a small falls here in Cavinti.
Sobrang lalim siguro doon.
Tayo ngayon sa Bumbungan Eco Park. Makikita mo rito yung ganda ng nature ng Cavinti. Napakalinis. So, dati, may na mga naglalaba rito nung hindi pa ayos tong park na to. Pero pwede ka na ngayon maligo dito kung gusto nyo.
Ayos po. Ayos na ayos. Kasi safe naman po siya eh. Ano masasabi mo, pre? Pero sa ngayon hindi kami makakaligo eh. Pero the best pa ulit. Next time, subukan natin. Next time.
Lamont Lake, also known as Sierra Lake, is a man-made water reservoir located in the towns of Cavinti and Lumban, province of Laguna, in the Sierra Madre Mountains of the Philippines. The lake was created when Lamont Dam, an embankment dam, was constructed damming the Lamont River, creating an auxiliary water reservoir for Lake Calirea as part of the Calayan Pumped Storage Hydroelectric Plant. The waters between the two lakes are conveyed by a 2.3 kilometers penstock. Lamont Lake is less developed than the bigger Lake Calirea, but both lakes are popular spots for water sports and largemouth bass fishing.
Nandito ngayon tayo sa Lumot Lake. Ito ay isang hidden beauty ng Cavinti. Tingnan nyo mabuti.
Maganda po na kuya nyo.
Ganda. malinis.
Kuya, matanong lang po, bakit po lumot lake yung tawag dito?
Hindi naman sa ibig sabihin na malumot tong lake na to. Pero ano lang, yung lugar dito kasi tawag sa ano na to, lumot. Kaya tawag na rin dito sa lake na to, Lumot Lake.
So, ano pang pwedeng gawin dito?
Pwede kayo mga isda, mag-swimming, tapisaw dyan sa ano. Yan.
The best talaga,
Napakalinis naman.
the best talaga dito tol sa Cavite.
The best talaga.
Ayun po, may nangingisda nga.
Hello kuya. Mayit na lang po
May mga bata rin naliligo.
Oo, dun dito. So, dito pag ano, banda nga pa hapon na. Oo.
Get high on adventure at Cali Raya Resort Club. Cali Raya Resort Club, a 7.6 hectare of lush greenery, is a haven of adventure and heart-pumping activities nestled atop mountains of Cali Raya, with its new and thrilling attractions such as the wave pool and sky bicycle. Cali Raya Resort Club is the perfect resort for all adrenaline junkies and anyone of any age.
Sir, anong lugar to?
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Caliraya, Leyte, Laguna. Dito yung mga pupunta yung mga mayayaman, nag-golf, swimming, clubhouse. At nakikita mo yun yung golf course, napakalawak. Presko rin ang hangin dito.
The Japanese Garden along Lake Caliraya is a memorial park built by the Japanese government in the 1970s in order to commemorate the Japanese soldiers who died during the World War II. According to some locals and legends, it is also the burial site of General Yamashita of the Yamashita treasure fame. An altar located at an elevated portion of the garden is usually visited by the Japanese. In this altar, they offer prayers and gifts to the spirits of the dead soldiers. The main altar is made up of marble and located in an elevated part of the garden.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Japanese garden o tinatawag na Japanese tea garden.
Bakit po Japanese garden?
Dito kasi yung kapagkaibigan ng mga Pinoy at ang Japanese nung nasalo sila sa World War II. Dito rin, nakita natin mamaya ang ibigan ni Yamashita. Maraming Japanese na pupunta rito para makapag-alay ng respeto sa kanyang labi.
So, ano po kayang pwede kong gawin after this?
Marami dito, lakas, may nasimay lang ang fresh air. Marami tao rito.
Talagang marami rin
Ay, sago! Japanese.
Japanese garden.
Kaya Japanese garden din. Yung mga puno rito at yung itsura ng atmosphere dito, parang Japanese. Parang ka nasa Japan.
So, cherry blossom din po po dito.
Yun nga lang yun.
Pero po, makapunta na siya sa Japan.
Pistol. Namibisi mo yung
Pwede ka rin po dito mag-ibig. Bakit yun?
Dito, kasi minibing ang mga namatay ng World War II, mga Japanese soldiers. Kaya magbigay tayo ng respeto sa kanilang libingan. Kaya ako yun. Hindi ka.
The Cameron Resort and Eco Park is located along the shore of Caliraya Lake, 7 kilometers from the town of Lumban Laguna. A landmass intrusion to the lake in octopus shape with gradual slope. The total land area is about 7 hectares. It nestled the pavilion, executive cottage, twin cabanas, conference and seminar halls and various indoor and outdoor recreational facilities.
Pre, nasa ba tayo ngayon?
Dito tayo ngayon sa Camarines Resort. Ito ang tinatawag nilang hanging bridge. Tingnan mo.
Nakakatakot.
Walang naghahang lang talaga. Hang ng suporta ng itong mga matibay na tali. Dito tayo ngayon, itong Camarines Resort. Pwede tayong mag-relax at mag-swimming. At pwede tayong tumawid dun sa bridge na yan. Tara, tawirin namin.
Tara.
Yan ang tawag doon.
Dito nga pala tayo sa Caliraya Spillway. Doon makikita mo yung tunnel doon. Diyan nga pala ginagawa yung hydroelectric power. Binili to ng National Power Company para magkakuryente ang Cavinti. By the way, trivia, isa nga pala tong man-made lake. Tingnan nyo, napakalinis ng tubig.
So ito yung dahilan kung mas may kuryente. Galing.
So papagana ng hydroelectric power. Kapag yan din nagsasaran siya kung umaapaw yung tubig o nababawasan tubig. Kapag umapaw yung tubig, binubuksan lang yung tunnel na yan para magbawasan yung water level.
Okay po. Tawag po dito ay speedometer. Tawag lang.
And that concludes the tour. Please come back and explore other exciting places in Cavinti.